This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Rowan. A true one-of-a-kind layout in a new neighborhood. This is the Kipling floor plan and the only open concept floor pan in the neighborhood. The home boasts a massive kitchen island, large living room, updated large paver patio, one of very few fireplaces in the neighborhood. 4 bedrooms upstairs with the upgraded size upstairs living room. The ease of laundry next to all bedrooms. The big master closet is a great spot to store all items. Pictures to be uploaded Tuesday, August 24th. For more information, review the details below or contact Rowan at 704-526-9354.